Hello everyone, welcome back to African AI Kitchen. Today, Chef Amara is making a delicious Nigerian Afang Soup, a rich vegetable soup loved across Nigeria, especially in the southern region. This flavorful soup is packed with vegetables, seafood, and meat, and it goes perfectly with pounded yam, garri, or fufu. Start by placing the beef and stockfish into a pot. Add chopped onions. Add seasoning cubes and a little salt. Add some water and allow the meat to cook until tender. When the meat is almost done, add the dry fish to the pot. This allows the fish to release its flavor into the soup. Next, add the waterleaf. Waterleaf naturally releases water, so it helps create the base of the soup. Allow it to cook for a few minutes. Now add palm oil and stir gently. Palm oil gives the soup its rich color and deep traditional flavor. Add blended pepper and ground crayfish. Stir everything together. Allow it to cook for a few minutes so the flavors combine well. Add the periwinkles. Periwinkles add a delicious seafood flavor that makes afang soup even richer. Finally, add the sliced afang leaves. Stir well and allow the soup to simmer for about 5 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious pot of traditional afang soup. This soup pairs perfectly with pounded yam, eba, or fufu. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. What Nigerian dish should Chef Amara cook next?